Hi Sam. I hope you're doing well today.
Hi Alex. I'm excited to learn a new word.
Great. Today, we're going to explore the word
Vermietung.
Vermietung.
What's that mean?
It means rental or leasing. It's often used in the context of renting apartments or cars. The most common usage is in real estate.
Interesting. Is there anything I should watch out for with this word?
Yes, be careful. It can be a false friend because it sounds a bit like
Vermieten.
in English, which is quite different. Now, let's talk about the grammar.
Vermietung.
Is a feminine noun, so we say
Die Vermietung.
And what about the plural form?
the plural is.
Die Vermietungen.
It usually refers to multiple rentals.
Got it. How would I use?
Vermietung.
In a sentence.
You could say,
Die Vermietung ist sehr wichtig in der Stadt.
which means the rental is very important in the city.
How do you conjugate any verbs related to?
Vermietung.
The verb form is,
Vermieten.
which means to rent out. In the present tense, you say,
Ich vermiete. Du vermietest.
and
Sie, es vermietet.
And what does it look like in the past?
in the past tense, you would say,
Ich vermietete.
for praeteritum. For the perfect, you would use,
Hat vermietet.
like,
Ich habe die Wohnung vermietet.
meaning I rented out the apartment.
That sounds straightforward.
The word
Vermietung.
has roots in Middle High German, deriving from,
Mieten.
which means to rent. Its meaning has remained fairly consistent over time.
That's fascinating. So, it's been around for a while.
Yes, it has. The concept of renting has been important for a long time, especially as cities grew. Now, let's break down the word itself.
Vermietung.
Consists of the prefix,
Wer.
the root,
Miet.
and the suffix.
Ung.
What does each part mean?
The prefix
Wer.
often implies a change or transformation. The root
Miet.
relates to renting, and the suffix
Ung.
indicates a process or action. So, together, it means the action of renting.
That's a clever way to think about it.
Let's explore similar words. For example, with the prefix,
Wer.
we have,
Verkaufen.
meaning to sell, and
Verleihen.
meaning to lend.
What about words with the same suffix?
Sure. We have
Wertung,
which means evaluation, and
Bildung,
meaning education.
I see the pattern.
Good. Now, we can also look at compound words. For example,
Wohnungsvermietung,
means apartment rental, where
Wohnung,
means apartment.
So the last part determines the gender.
Exactly. Since
Vermietung,
is feminine, the entire compound is feminine too. Now, let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a real estate agency. You could start with,
Ich interessiere mich für die Vermietung.
Ich interessiere mich für die Vermietung.
great. Another situation could be at a car rental place. You might say,
Wie viel kostet die Vermietung für einen Tag?
Wie viel kostet die Vermietung für einen Tag?
perfect. Lastly, imagine you're asking a friend about renting an apartment. You could say,
Hast du Informationen über die Vermietung?
Hast du Informationen über die Vermietung?
well done, Sam.
How do I remember that?
Vermietung.
Is feminine.
A good hint is that it ends with, which is often feminine. You can also picture a woman handing over keys to an apartment, emphasizing the renting aspect.
That's a vivid image.
Now, just a quick note on usage.
Vermietung,
Is more formal, often used in written contexts or official conversations.
Are there common phrases I should know?
Absolutely. You might hear,
die Vermietung von Wohnungen,
meaning the rental of apartments, or
eine Vermietung abschließen,
meaning to conclude a rental agreement.
I see how that works.
Quick quiz time. What does
Vermietung,
mean?
It means rental or leasing.
Correct. What is the gender of
Vermietung,
It's feminine.
good? How do you say I rent out in German?
Ich vermiete.
Yes. What is the past form of
vermieten,
Ich vermietete.
exactly? One last question, give me a compound word with
Vermietung,
Wohnungsvermietung.
perfect, Sam. You did great today. Remember that
Vermietung,
connects to the idea of renting or leasing in various contexts.
Thanks, Alex. I learned a lot about the word and its uses.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll remember it all.